Victorinox compact. I needed a new Swiss Army knife since my old one with 5 rows is missing in action, and it was Wenger, not a Swiss brand, so I didn't have these scissors. And with Leatherman I have noticed that I always use the scissors, like cutting fishing line or something like that. It's cutting your nails or anything. They're quite useful. So that's why I bought this model. It has the scissors. And also I wanted 2-row model, so it would be very light. This is extremely light, like 80 grams or so. And I definitely want the blue or the color to be red, so it's just because that's the real color for Swiss knives. And it's sort of MacGyverish. The whole identity is, it's not like I have this quick deployment serrated tanto or drop point or whatever stabbing tool, but this is just small knife, easy to carry and lightweight and useful in an urban setting. So, and it has that Swiss heritage and army knife and MacGyver and all that kind of, sort of disarming. Nobody's going to wonder if you pull this out. And, oh, it's one of those, and it's not that big. It's a big model. It's this small model. It's so pocket, like Epitome of pocket knives, sort of the classic interpretation of pocket knives. It has the screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, corkscrew, that male hook thing, and tweezers. And all kind of stuff. So pen, it has little pen here. Toothpick. But I'm very happy with this. It's also relatively cheap, so if you lost it, it's not so big deal. Like if you want to buy some gift knife, this is the perfect knife for anybody, a kid or woman or whoever. It's just so classic in design and quite easy to use. That's it.